Hey everybody.
Hey.
So my dad brought me this apron from an antique store called Picket Fence Antiques. And so tonight we are making dinner.
Well, he went on a dove hunt and he brought us some dove and they're marinating, and we're gonna make them just like we have the cube steak wrap. So we're cutting up some peppers and onions and cream cheese, and we're gonna use the dove and wrap them up in bacon, and it's gonna be delicious. We're gonna put them on the grill. So, but we want to just make sure we showed you guys her apron because it's so
like,
cute.
There's like, I don't know, like ski.
Let's see if I can get a little closer, Kaitlyn.
I don't know what to call it. Dad called it something. Ski blades or whatever. The thingies out there.
I don't know.
And then the boots.
Get closer so they can see him. Anyway, it's cute. So, all right, we're gonna start cutting up some peppers and onions.
You can do the onion.
We're gonna try the trick that they told us. They said if you run water nearby where you're cutting, it absorbs the fumes so you don't cry. So we'll see. Hang on, we're gonna put you on pause just a moment.
We're back.
We're back. Travis is calling us to tell us something. So we cut the end pieces off. It's been a little while, but I bet you remember. Oh no. Look,
Oh.
hold it like this.
Oh.
And cut the tip off like that. Okay.
Oh,
I want you to
I
cut
need
this.
it. I may need it.
No. You don't need help. Look, just hold it with one hand. Yeah. And cut the end. If you watch your thumb there. There you go. Good job.
Oh.
Anna came home, so that's why Lexi's hollering. Normally
So
she
cut it
barks
half
and
like
then
we're doing?
Diesel. What now?
I cut it in half like we're doing.
You can do it however you want, so you can
No,
leave
don't
it.
matter.
It doesn't. Well, no, don't do it like that. Like, you got most of yours with the thing, so that's good. The other thing is you can just kind of stick it in and go around the top.
Trying not to cut myself.
Oh, you're fine. You're not going to cut yourself, I wouldn't think.
Oh.
Did you cut yourself?
See, I did myself. I tore me a little slit so I could see what I'm doing.
I might go get my little cutting board so we're not having to share.
I just tore it. It's a lot easier.
Alright, whatever works for you. We have a really good friend that
You want me to
loves
take
to
the
do
seeds out?
woodworking, and he made this for us. Travis picked it up at an antique place, and it was pretty rough looking. It had stains everywhere, circular things, and he ran it through the planer and stained it, and it looked so pretty. Let me show you up close. Anyway, so do what now?
Never mind, I got it.
Okay.
No, I'm going to eat it.
Huh?
Said I'm tempted to eat it.
Eat it if you want it. There's plenty.
But it's for cooking.
Huh?
This is for cooking.
No, we'll have plenty. Look at all them peppers.
Okay. I'm
You can
just,
eat all you want.
just going to take a small bite.
Who else out there loves bell peppers? I know Kaitlyn does. Right by itself. There you go. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Good. It's the first time I've gotten to use my cutting board. And I added this, I know you guys recommended the non-stick, the non-skid thing, so I bought one of those.
Hold on, my leg's itching.
Technically, Travis bought it for me. And let me pick it up and move it so her little thing doesn't slide all over the place anymore.
Sorry.
Alrighty.
Here.
You said I have to do the onion? Okay. You can just put the pepper, the like seeds and stuff. You don't have to take every one of them out because remember we'll throw them in the under the water or whatever, and it'll rinse them off as well.
Are these hot? They look hot.
They're jalapenos, so they probably are. Oh, you know what? Somebody said we probably need to swap places because somebody said we need to turn the water on and it'll absorb some of the onion fumes. And they said to stay away from the root part. There you go. Anna just got home. Come help us cut up some peppers.
I'm gonna go talk to Daddy.
Alright.
I'll say hey though. Hey y'all.
Landon, you want to say hi? Nothing like getting put on the spot, huh? You got to get back here.
Hey.
Y'all gonna eat some dub wraps?
We will.
Alrighty.
Well, that one didn't count straight.
Are we making anything else with it?
I don't know.
Let's do
Ooh,
mashed
mashed
potatoes.
Yeah, mashed potatoes.
Alright.
We like mashed potatoes.
I guess we're gonna do mashed potatoes too. We probably won't do a video on that, but sounds like that's what we're gonna have as well.
I have
What you doing?
a seed on my finger that won't come off over there.
Oh. So, what all did we do? You can turn that water off. I think it's fine. They may not can hear us over the water. Ooh, that's loud. As soon as you turn the water off, my eyes started burning. Ooh, turn it back on. Let me see. If that trick really works, that is so cool.
Your eyes burning?
Huh?
Your eyes burning?
Uh-huh. As soon as you turned off the water, my eyes started
Are they
burning.
still burning?
No. They quit. Surely that ain't.
Oh, Mama, that's stink.
They stink. That is crazy. If that was whatever.
I don't like onions. But, I mean, I'll cook with it for flavor. If that is.
Yeah, I like the flavor of them. All right. Let's see. So what did we do today?
We went to church and then we went to Grandma's.
Church at Grandma's. Typical Sunday for us. How about you guys? Y'all do anything fun today? Grandma got to try some of Kaitlyn's
Pumpkin cheesecake.
pumpkin cheesecake.
I need to bake some more because we're out.
Yes, I know. We got to buy some more ingredients. We used up all the cream cheese and.
This time I know how to make it. I don't know if I don't think we'll need
Did you like the store-bought graham cracker crust, or do you want to try to make it yourself?
No, I liked the store-bought, but I mean we can. But store-bought's just easier. These seeds are very annoying to get off.
Oh, you don't have to get all the seeds out.
Why is it brown?
It's just a variation, I guess. I don't know.
Oh, Mom, that's
They might know. They may know why it's this color. Because we turned off the water. But you can't. Don't turn it back on. They can't hear us when we have the water on. I bet. It'll be all right. My eyes
are burning.
Here, let me turn it just a way farther from you. That's a nifty little trick, though, huh?
Mm-hmm. This pepper didn't come out beautiful.
Okay. Get all mine over here. Well, we'll just do these in half. You don't have to get all the little seeds out. It ain't no biggie. They ain't gonna hurt nothing at all.
Oops.
You got a crick in your neck?
Mm-hmm.
Working too hard. I am gonna cut these yellow peppers just a little thinner because they're kind of thick. I don't know how many birds he ended up getting because I think everybody at the hunt sent some home with him. So him and his mama got in the kitchen last night and we took the youth to a little fall festival.
Which was fun.
Hayride, which was fun, yes. And they
I was a burner.
watched the football game and cleaned. Oh wait,
No,
really bad?
don't give me that. Don't give me that. That's hot.
Oh, you want these?
Yeah, I want the non-hot ones. These look a little icky.
They're probably fine. Oh, I don't know. We shall find out, huh?
I usually don't eat the peppers when we make it.
What's that?
But
I
when
usually
we cook it,
pull them out
I
and just.
don't like cooked peppers.
I usually just flavor all my
I
food with it.
like raw yellow peppers, but that's it.
You do orange too, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
But not hot peppers. Or
Teach them something in Spanish that you've learned today. Not today, but in this school year. Nothing like getting put on the spot, huh?
I can't think of anything.
Oh, come on.
Anything that nobody hasn't heard, like in a movie or something.
So what? They don't care what you tell them. They just want to hear it. Me llamo Heidi.
Me llamo Kaitlyn. Oh, I meant to share my slideshow with you. We did in Spanish class.
Well, tell us about it. So you want me to do these, don't you?
Well, the people on my slideshow were you, my brother, and my nephews. And then I added a little photo of me, like, at the end. Because we had to describe ourselves, so.
Couldn't put everybody, huh? So you just had to pick and choose this time around.
Yeah. I felt bad about leaving Tyler out, so I added him. Because I had a slideshow just of white too, but I didn't want to be rude. So I added my brother in there. He took Spanish too, didn't he?
He did? So all three of us. I took Spanish and did you cut yourself?
Yes, I did.
Well, be careful.
Ow, that hurts. Oh no.
You're fine.
Well, shouldn't hurt as worse as that staple. What grade was I in?
I don't know.
Got a staple in my thumb once. I'm not sure how it happened. I felt like in third, fourth grade. Like, in my thumb. You remember?
Mm-hmm. The thumbnail.
I don't know how it happened.
I don't either.
It didn't cut me, it just grazed me.
Typically you learn after you do it one time what not to do for next time. I think I threw a seed at you.
You did, it's okay. Are these
Give you
seeds
that one.
edible? Like, for animals?
Oh, I don't know.
Because if some landed on the floor, let's maybe vacuum them up first.
I cannot imagine Lexi wanting a bell pepper or a jalapeno.
Probably. Not.
She is kind of picky.
She likes pumpkin cheesecake though. She approved of my baking skills.
My grandma did too, and we left leftovers at Mama's. At Grandma's house.
Mama said she and Papa will let me know tonight. What they taste like.
How much longer?
Well, we gotta finish cutting up these peppers
Those
and then
onions
do
are
all the
making my
wraps.
eyes
So
burn. I don't know why I put those seeds up there.
I told Dad I'd tell him whenever y'all get done.
all right, yeah, we still gotta wrap them and all. We still gotta make them.
Shoulders are hurting.
You can jump in and help if you want.
Y'all look like y'all are almost done. I'll make mashed potatoes.
Alright.
Dad said they'll probably take around an hour on the grill.
Oh, okay.
So I'll start making them whenever y'all get them fixed up.
Alrighty.
Ooh, you know what we should do?
What's that?
When dinner's done? Dinner and a movie.
Dinner and a movie.
With all of us.
Alright.
Oh, my neck hurts from looking down. The new Avatar movie comes out in December.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Probably need to turn that video off. I imagine it's pretty long by now.
14 minutes and 21 seconds.
Whoa. I'm certain they don't want to hear us for 14 minutes.
It'll be alright.
And 41, well, however many seconds you said. Alright. We're done. Let's get the counter cleaned
Oh,
off.
good gracious.
I'm gonna hit the pause. Alright, we're back. We have the dove that's been marinating overnight. There's all kinds of seasonings in here that Travis did. We have our cream cheese, peppers,
Onions and bacon.
and our toothpicks. So we're gonna start the process of doing all of our wraps, and we'll let you see it closer to time. So we just wanted to let you see our little station here. Alright, let's get to work, Kate.
Alright.
Alright.
Hey y'all, we're wrapping them up now.
I've got more helpers. I told them the faster we get this done, the faster we can eat. So then all of a sudden I have a lot more hands working getting it done. We're steadily just making our little wraps.
We're just ready to eat.
That'll be good.
Kaitlyn gave up on us. She said the onions were burning her eyes too much. So she's over here.
Not my eyes, my throat.
Your throat? She's behind the camera right now.
I'm watching.
You can come right here in between them and say hey.
We did wash our hands before.
They wouldn't know the difference. Let's see. May have to get some more cream cheese in a minute.
Or is it out in the fridge? Or
My toothpicks broke.
is it in the fridge? Cream cheese?
Oh, I have some over there. It's fine. I don't need
Okay.
it right now. Both of these two were invited on the dove hunt where we got the meat, but
But I had to work and he had to clean his room, of course.
not to mention we went to a fall festival, so we got to ride hay rides and stuff like that. So
That's true.
we had a lot of fun regardless. We let Dad do all the shooting.
I did go last year. Me and Dad got the most dove out of everybody. This year they had a lot more dove than we did last year.
Look at this. You may have to go get us some more bacon pretty soon.
Grab us more.
I think this year they
Here,
just
I'll
kind
do
of, everybody was giving theirs to Travis.
I mean, last year they did too.
Oh, really?
But yeah, there were a lot more dove in the sky. Is that not?
Yeah, let's see.
Ooh, Kaitlyn, come roll up my sleeve for me.
I have to do the same thing to Mama.
I know my left one's falling down if you want to be my sleeve grabber. And Diesel's making himself be heard.
There you go.
Thanks.
Oh, yeah. Which one?
That left one there. Thank you.
Oh,
That's good.
there you go. Yeah, hold on. Let me get the other one so they won't fall.
She's got them way up for me.
There you go.
All right, we'll pause the video and keep working, and we'll let y'all see a little later. All right, fixing to tear down on some food.